Hey, this is Paul. Thanks for checking out Frida's Mandarinquats. Now, these are a hybrid of mandarins and kumquats. You can see on the website here. And this is a larger one weighing in at 7/100 of a pound. Now, the good thing about these potent little fruit is that you can eat the whole thing, but the bummer is that they are a little seedy. So I wouldn't recommend buying these to consume whole unless you enjoy eating citrus seeds. But they are a really beautiful, stunning little fruit. You can see there's some color variations. And these are also called the Indio Mandarinquat. And they were first grown and created in Indio, California by Dr. John Carpenter. So you can see up close, really pretty fruit. And actually my favorite thing to consume is actually the rind. I prefer that more than the flesh. Now, these novelty citrus are mostly used and adored by chefs and home cooks, and they're usually used to elevate dishes of food. I mean, even on the back of this, you can see it has the directions to make a lovely salad. So definitely a type of food item, a fruit that you're gonna want to enjoy more with cooking to elevate a dish. But I will say the juice is sweet like a mandarin. And if I had to eat either one of these or a kumquat, I would pick this in a heartbeat. It's enjoyable. Look, this one has no seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this whole. It's a really unique experience. The oils in the skin, I think, are what chefs use the most in the rind. And it's just really, I would define it like a sweet tart. Really sweet with some acidity and a really tart finish, but not intense. It's really enjoyable. You can see why people like these fruits so much. You can see they're really sweet, 16 1/10. I think that's the highest citrus that we've bricked so far. And I wonder if the more orange colors are even sweeter. Let me take a quick bite. You can see this one has way more seeds. But this rind is my favorite part. Now, if these were seedless, I would eat these like cherry tomatoes all the time. So this one was less sweet, but still very respectable scores, 13 7/10. So do some Googling if you buy some of these and make some really tasty dishes. That's what I would do. That's what we're going to do with these. I'm gonna try to make a syrup, and I wanna use this to season meat. They say duck and chicken, probably, I would assume, pork as well. So there you go, really interesting, unique fruit, a mandarinquat. Again, a hybrid of a mandarin and a kumquat. And it says it's exactly as advertised. So give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. And if you see these in stores, give them a try. They're really unique and a really interesting experience.